Hi guys, here we are from the Netherlands. Sheila is going to unpack something that is typical Dutch.
Yes.
Albert Heijn, one of the largest supermarkets in the Netherlands, or actually the largest, is a part of Ahold. Ahold concern. It's globally one of the largest supermarket chains in the world with many subsidiaries under different names in the United States, Europe and Asia.
Wow.
Okay, here we go. I leave it up to Sheila. We spent €400 and for each €10 you get a stamp.
Yes.
When you have 40 stamps,
When you complete this, open it,
when you have 40 stamps,
you get this box.
you get this box for free and that has a value of €50. So let's see what is inside.
Yee, I'm so excited.
Sorry.
So first one in the box. This is how it looks like. Let me show you. Yeah. So I'm going to show you one by one. So we have this chili and lime flavor. Perfect with beer. Ooh, this is what I saw from the commercial, from the reclame. And we have the tea, Bos Vruchten, Zwarte Thee from Albert Heijn. And we have the page to wipe your ass.
Page.
Page. Page pala tawag dito. Page.
Wetties.
Yeah, wetties.
Oh,
Kappesoep.
kappesoep.
And
Hak.
hak.
Kikkererwtjes. That is Jose's favorite.
Yeah,
She makes
lekker in
everything
curry
with
of salad.
kikkererwtjes.
So this is really nice. Wow, marinade mix satay. Satay sauce from
Oh, nice.
Remia. Oh my god, we have another one of these.
We have head care for the next 12
This
years.
is hand soap. Are we going to build a supermarket also? Competitor of Ariel, Albert Heijn, Red Bull. Sugar-free. Oh, this is good for you, Marco.
Huh?
Sugar-free Red Bull. Sensodyne.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Yeah, but it's very small. And the Bio Spaghetti from Albert Heijn. This is actually good. I tried it yesterday. We have the aglio olio yesterday and it's really good. And we have the... What is this, Marco? Stoppable Parfum de Ligne and Perlet. I don't know what's that. Sportlife Boost Energy. It's like a chewing gum.
This one, when you do your laundry, you add it into as extra to give your laundry a very nice smell.
Oh, okay. So it's a product from Ariel. It's for the laundry.
Dishwasher.
From Ariel. Again. No, this is not dishwasher. This is for the clothes.
Oh, okay.
It's
Detergent.
detergent.
Only one detergent.
It's a detergent. It's good. Oh, for the toilet. It's nice. It's for the toilet. You can hang this inside the bowl. The bowl. Toilet bowl. Again, we have these. Perla Aroma Coffee. Coffee. Wow. A lot of things. We're not done yet. Zout the popcorn. The popcorn. Lekker. Lekker in Dutch. Lekker is a Dutch word of delicious. This one is Fuzetea. Green tea. Chocolate. Nice. Amstel beer. Wow.
That's for Martin.
Lipton.
Lipton
Green
London.
iced tea.
Oh, that's expensive.
Wow, mine. My Chocomel. Another liquor stuff. Hey, liquor. Oh, we don't have a cat. This is for the cat. Maybe I will try it. Another one. What is this? What's this? Grolsch. Is this a beer? I don't know what this is. Ah, yeah, it's a beer.
Grolsch is beer. See,
Yeah,
this
Grolsch.
is alcohol-free.
Oh, it's alcohol free. It's not good for me. Just joking. This one is good for you. This one, oh, we don't need to buy one.
Dishwasher?
Yeah, dishwashing liquid. This is nice. What's this? Hand clean gel. Tiny. And another wetness. Good. Chocolate chip cookies. And that's it, guys. That's all. And here are the items that I just unboxed. That's it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!